Okay, this lecture is all about Polyline. Polyline shortcut key is PL. Polyline is using for to join any line. For example, you created a drawing and when you're trying to extrude your drawing, it doesn't extrude because in your drawing have some broken lines. You face this type of issues, when you trying to extrude your 2D drawing and extrude option is not work, so that's mean in your drawing have some broken line, break line. Okay, so I will show you in this lecture as the example. Okay, now you can see, for example, this is our drawing. Okay, we have some small breakpoint. You can see from here to here, this is a breakpoint. It's called this our line break from here. But when we have lot of lines, lot of drawings and small boxes, small rectangles and something like that, you have a very big project, and when your 2D work is ready and you want to extrude it, but it never and it does not extrude because you have some broken line or some duplicate line. If you have some duplicate line, so it will be not extrude. If you have some broken or break lines, so it will be not extrude. So if you have these kind of issues, so you will use Polyline. Actually, Polyline will be retrying your all work. How it? Just see. So I will click on Polyline option and simply click on here, 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 here and here. Now enter. Now you can see our breakpoint broken area is finished. But now you are thinking why we use this specific tool, because we have already available some other line tools, something like construction line and line tools. So I will clear your confusion right now. Line tool is only for initial drawing. If you have got some issues in your drawing, some thing like duplicate line, double lines, so you will use Polyline. Okay, if you have got some issues in this room or this rectangle, okay, so you can't use again this Polyline, this line option, because when you use this line option, that's it, you will use same like I have draw, so it will not work, it will not extrude complete, and you can't go in next section, in 3D section. Keep in mind, if you have duplicate line, okay, so you can't extrude your project, you can't design your project in other softwares. So this is why we can not use construction line and line tool when we have done already our drawing. We can only use when we have done our drawing. So if we have got any issues our drawing, so we can use this Polyline in our complete drawing and we will replace using this Polyline.